You just need a warm hug from your food. This stew pulls up with all the good nutrients and flavor therapy your brain and body need. Is it fatigue, low energy days, hormonal blues, or just off? This isn't just a stew, it's a mood lifting masterpiece. It is quick and simple to make, budget friendly. Well, this stew is commonly prepared in eastern and northern Uganda, but I'm going to customize it to my liking. So let's do this together. Now, what you see me chopping right now is Leafy Greens, also known as boo. Okay, do we pronounce that boo? Bo? Bo? But I hope you get it. They are bold, they are earthy, and they come with that iron-packed energy your body's been begging for. Alright, so I've just added a pinch of bagadi salt. Some people know it as sodium bicarbonate. Cook it with water for about 10-15 minutes until it's tender. Drain it and set aside. Groundnut paste. That's protein and healthy fats for stable energy. And take note of this, pure mood dips. So in a small bowl, loosen groundnut paste with a bit of water. You want to mix it thoroughly until it loosens up and turns into a smooth, medium, creamy consistency. Not too runny, not too thick. Well, we want it just creamy enough to coat our greens beautifully. Sizzle time. Aromatics in olive oil, onions, tomatoes, peppers, curry, salt. Gently spicy, wakes up your taste buds and your saturation. Now if you like, in a pan, first heat the olive oil, then add onions, and then the rest respectfully. Cook until softened and fragrant. I love this jute melon leaf. It is soft, slimy, and silky in the best way. This green right here thickens your stew. It's packed with vitamins to calm nerves and clear your mind. So now basically draining the pre-cooked bowl and mixing it with the fried ingredients. Then of course follow with queen, the jute melon. I wonder how you call it. So I mix all together and just want it to cook a little just before adding our creamy, fine roasted groundnut paste to bring everything together like a sweet reunion. Alright, so let it simmer, let the flavors fall in love, and just like that, you've made a stew that doesn't just feed your belly, feeds your feelings. Okay, so are you ready to try the stew and share your plate? I mean your story, your experience. Well, if this recipe warmed your heart for the exact measurement, how to, cooking time, substitute ingredients, please simply join members only video on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.